apple and cucumber salad. So just slice apple, tomato, onion, egg, cucumber, and apple. Then the sauce, mayonnaise, put some salt, pepper, garlic powder, and lemon. Mix well. Tara, you'll have a very delicious apple cucumber salad. Thanks for watching.
Happy birthday after that. Takes a month off.
Why?
Because I was eating much.
Try nyo po. Very healthy.
But don't tell her.
Very yummy.
Makes us so happy.
It does. Capri, there's a glass and a half in everyone.
Kada may makikita po ang commercial space, parang hindi ko mapigilan, niliretahan ko to, akin to, parang gano'n. Tapos biglang nung nag-pandemic po, ayun, nagapak lahat, sabay-sabay.
Siyempre nagsara lahat. Tumigil lahat.
Open pa rin po siya, pero wala lang po customer.
Customer, di ba?
Pero yung renta ko po,